Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about beautiful grey haircut ideas for women over 50. Grey hair is natural and very elegant. Many women today proudly accept their grey hair and turn it into a stylish look. With the right haircut, grey hair can look modern, classy and very beautiful. As we grow older, our hair may become thinner or dry. That is why choosing the right haircut is important. A good haircut can make your hair look fuller, healthier and easier to manage. One popular hairstyle for women over 50 is the short bob haircut. The bob is a classic hairstyle that never goes out of fashion. It is usually cut around the chin or slightly below. A grey bob haircut looks very elegant and neat. It is also easy to wash, dry and style every day. Another great option is the pixie haircut. The pixie cut is short, modern and very easy to maintain. Many women over 50 choose pixie cuts because they are save time and still look very stylish. Grey hair looks especially beautiful in a pixie cut because the natural colors stand out. The layered haircut is also a wonderful choice. Layers add movement and volume to the hair. This is playful for women whose hair has become thin with age. Layered grey hair looks soft, natural and full of life. Another stylish idea is the shoulder length haircut. This style is perfect for women who do not want very short hair. Shoulder length hair looks soft and feminine. You can leave it straight and soft waves or tie it back easily. The soft shag haircut is also becoming very popular. Shag haircuts have soft layers that give the hair a relaxed and modern look. Grey hair with a shag cut looks trendy and natural. It does not require a lot of styling, much makes it perfect for everyday life. Women with natural curls can choose a curly grey haircut. Natural curls look beautiful with grey hair. A short curly haircut can make your look fresh and lively. It is also very easy to maintain because you can simply let your natural curls shine. Another simple and elegant idea is a classic short layered cut. This haircut keeps healthy hair. Many women over 50 also enjoy adding soft highlights or lowlights to their grey hair. This can give the hair more depth and shine. Silver, ash or light blonde tones can blend beautifully with natural grey hair. Taking care of grey hair is also important. Using a good shampoo and conditioner can keep your hair soft and healthy. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.